We can begin to simplify this expression by factoring out a 4k from each of the terms in the numerator, which will give us k squared minus 4k minus 32, all over our 7k squared minus 53k minus 24. We can then factor out the numerator and the denominator. We have that 4k, which we just factored out before. We can multiply that by k minus 8 and k plus 4. And in the denominator, we'll get 7k plus 3 times k minus 8. Now if we rewrite our expression, we can see we have a k minus 8 in the numerator and in the denominator of our expression. And so we can cancel those out because everything's being multiplied. They will just divide out to 1 over 1. And this is going to leave us with our final answer, which is 4k times k plus 4 in the numerator over 7k plus 3 in the denominator. Now to determine the excluded values, we need to figure out what values of k, if any, cause the denominator to equal 0. So we can take the factored denominator and set it equal to 0 and solve. So if 7k plus 3 is equal to 0, we can subtract 3 from both sides, which will give us 7k is equal to negative 3, and then divide both sides of the equation by 7 to get our first excluded value, which is k is equal to negative 3 over 7. On the other hand, if k minus 8 equals 0, we can add 8 to both sides of the equation and find our second excluded value, which is k is equal to 8. So if k equals either negative 3 over 7 or 8, we'll be dividing by 0, and that is why those are our two excluded values.